Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I just want to give a quick feedback on my use of the A7 III, the Sony A7 III, that is. Alright, so guys, I purchased this camera maybe 3 weeks ago. Referring to the Sony A7 III, I purchased this with the 85mm 1.8, I think, and I can't say anything bad about the camera, other than the fact that you have to, go into the menu and set it up to your liking, to your comfort, to your benefit. The one thing I'm really amazed about is how customizable every button on this camera is. That is a game changer. Besides that, the autofocus on this camera is wow, it's one of the best things on this camera. It's really amazing, especially paired with this lens. The 85, I purchased maybe $500 or something for it. I'll put up a price on the screen, the exact cost of it. But this lens especially is so fast, so quiet, it's so freaking sharp. I'm a Canon guy, Canon fanboy, you can call me as well. And for me to be coming into the Sony ecosystem is something that it's scary, because it's a new thing, and hey, as a photographer you have to take chances. If you want to get better, if you want to be more, what's the word, you want to be competitive in the market of so many other photographers, and you already have the skills, this literally is going to just enhance what you already have. It's going to make you work faster, and not to mention the fact that it has the electronic viewfinder. This thing, whatever you see through this is what you get. Once you look through it, you put it in, that's it. Like I said, I'm a Canon guy. I have the latest 5D Mark IV. Well, it's not the latest, because there's a mirrorless camera that Canon came up with, and I have the 5D Mark III. This thing I'm going to be selling. You're probably wondering what's this on there. I have a leather strap that I use with both cameras when I'm working, especially when I'm doing weddings. This is just really a safe strap, just in case the strap pulls off the bottom of this thing. But anyway, all I have to say is the eye autofocus on the Sony is amazing. I've missed a couple of shots, meaning they were soft, but it's not the camera's fault, it is mine, because I'm still learning the autofocusing system and how well to use it in a specific scenario. So I'm still working on it, I'm still working on the kinks, I'm still trying to get comfortable. Like I said, I'm a Canon guy, so coming to the ecosystem of the Sony, it's a new field for me. And but so far it's been amazing. That's all I can say. And I'll throw some shots on the screen just to show you guys what it looks like, and you guys can tell me for yourself. But all I can say is good things about this thing. So guys, thanks you once again for checking this video out. It's a quick video. If you guys haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my channel for further videos, further tutorials, or whatever that I'm going to be doing on this channel. Sorry about that, guys. So peace out.